friends. Today, I was just thinking what are things I'm learning during the lockdown of coronavirus. When I am observing that there are some learnings out of this. So, the majorly three important things we learn in this pandemic situation. What they are? So, before we go into that, a small introduction about myself is like I am Mohammed Rafi and father to two daughters and to a husband to a wonderful wife. I like to meet new people and make understand of new cultures. And I am a social marketer and founder of the Internet Income Academy. So, coming to the topic again, my friends, each and everyone has three learnings during this period. What are the three important learnings we have? Top three important learnings. Yeah, when I think back and see, there are three things. One, I can say that it's a family importance. Number two, it is financial important. Number three, it is spiritual importance. So let's talk about family importance first. When I say family importance, see, the whole world is closed for many days. No one was there to take care of from hospital sides, from hotel side, from restaurant side, even saloons. Everything are closed. But only one thing is available for everyone, that is their own family. So we should not neglect our families. Even after the lockdown is over, any situations come in our life, that's very common, my friends. See, when you are not there for the people, like your families, people are there for you now. Like your parents are there, your wife, your kids, your sisters, brothers, everyone is taking care of yourself and checking that either you guys are there or not, what is happening in life, what kind of changes are there. These kind of checkings are happening. So family very important for each and everyone. Even after the situation got through, we cannot neglect our families. There is a big learning this many days staying at home. So my friends, each and everyone has their importance in their life, that the priority number one is the family. You have to take care of your family, you have to respect your family. The busy world, busy life, I know you will be very busy in doing their jobs, business, earning, spending, so many things. But take out some time and spend some time with your family. That is very important. When no one was there, the family was standing with you, my friends. Yes or no? If you agree, comment yes, family is important in my video. At the same time, the second important thing is financial importance. See, the financial importance is very important. We understand now. Yeah, imagine there were no jobs, there were no income, there is no income, there is no much opportunities available in market. How we are going to run our families, how we are going to run our day-to-day requirements. See, when you have the money, we should not waste it for the unwanted things. This is the biggest lesson we have to learn here. So when you are earning good money, you have to take care of your savings and spends. When you take care of your savings, these kind of situations may happen again and again, can be happened. So when you have your savings with you, so you cannot face your problems with your family for your food or surviving requirements. Like, there are many rich people are donating crores of money, like Akshay Kumar is donated 25 crores and all film actors donated, and Ratan Tata is donated 1,000 crores. So all these kind of people are donated. When they have saved money, they are earning money. At least we have to take care of ourselves. So these kind of situations, we cannot depend on these donations. You should be able to take care of yourself or your family. So my point is, here we have to spend very little money for our requirements. We have to live a very simple lifestyle. We should not waste much money on gadgets or liabilities. The maximum you have to use your money for, either you create for assets or you savings, or you are helping people, or charity and donations. So these are the best learning this period. Many people should focus on this as well. After the lockdown is over, whether you continue the normal life, you have to remember this lesson, that you have to save your money and keep things with you. So this is the second important lesson each and everyone should learn and realize that money is very much important. Your financial health is very much required for you and for your family. Yes, agree, the financial importance is very much and the top two priority. So comment me the same again, the financial importance is very much important. The third important point I want to say is the spiritual importance. My friends, today, as in society, when you wake up, you will see the news and get panic about the social media, what is happening, the news channels. So many deaths are happening, so many things are got closed. This country is gone. America lost so many people, lost so many jobs. All these things in the environment, how you can live a peaceful life, how you can spend your time at home with peace and with your happiness. We cannot spend our lives without spiritual importance. When you believe in the God, you have to remember one clear thing is, everything is got created by some energy, someone. That is, we believe that God, either you believe or not, that is truth. Either you have to go with the truth, that is, everything is created by someone, either created by who is created you, created me, created the world, created the everything. Every situation is created by some energy, that is called God. So when you believe in that, we stay at home and we pray and we think positive, stay that reading Quran, and we spread the positivity. The spiritual importance very much important. Doing this, all these things, still we are being positive and staying healthy. All those things, the spiritual importance is very much needed for each and everyone. So my friends, there are the three best learnings in this top three learnings in this corona pandemic situation. That is, number one is family importance, number two is financial importance, number three is spiritual importance. My friends, to go in detail, there is so much of knowledge in social media and everywhere. If you want to go through with these things, spend some time and find out where you wanted to learn all these three things. The thing is, like for me, for doing meditation, I'm started doing meditation now. It's very peace, very much good. And when you want to develop something like that, this is the right time to start doing things. So my friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share and like my videos. So whenever I record, you are the first person to receive this kind of information. So thank you so much watching my videos. See you again in the next week. Next video. Thank you so much.